Burning behind me is 8.5 tons of heroin, opium, hashish and other narcotics.
We've made it to Peru, and what do we find? Ooh, yeah, you'll do. I don't really know what to do now. I have to meg on here. Just get really pissed. Sorry, all I had some cracking viz. Unbelievable viz.
Instructions detailing it.
Bwah, bwah, bwah. Update, it's well hot. 6'7". A couple of individuals with some individual style. Oh my god. Oh my god, Machu Picchu is as beautiful as they say.
Oh right.
Altitude's no shit.
Altitude's crazy. There's one cure. Beer.
Altitude's not even that bad, is it? What an absolute joke this altitude acclimatization is. So easy. Despacito. Buenos dias from the streets of Peru. We have assimilated, we have blended in, we have, no one could tell the tourists are in town. Hell yeah.
It's really the depression, I think. This is so not chill. Clocking in. 5 o'clock in the morning. Let's go. We've all got altitude sickness.
Oh, yes. Found a bumper clock wild llama.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh my lord!
There's a second llama.
I ain't got no panties on, ain't got no panties on, I ain't got no panties on.
Where the hell did you come from?
Now, which one do we think's the male?
Yeah.
Oh, hello,
What
man.
you saying, big boy?
What's up, guys? Welcome to What's Your Favorite Rock? Cue the montage.
Let's go, lose control, slip and slide on the dance floor. Let's go, lose control, slip and slide on the dance floor. Let's go, lose control, slip and slide on the dance floor. Let's go, lose control. 3, 2, 1, drop it.
This is my favorite rock. About this big. Pardon my language, Jesus Christ. It's constructed in 1400s.
No, nobody's been snapping this out.
Oh, sorry.
Entry number 2.
This is my rock. I think she looks very comfy, perched on top of her second cushion rock, and that's my submission.
Submission.
And this is the first proper rock of the submission. This is reminiscent of Dum Dum Gimme Gum Gum. Need I say more?
Doesn't this just look horrible? I'm passing the phone to someone that really thought this would be quite horrible.
Yeah.
Who the bloody hell goes travelling during rainy season? What a stupid idea. Raining again.
Pie.
What's the bottom mattress? Nice. What are you pointing at, Meg?
The lake.
Oh, yes.
I ain't got no panties on. Ain't got no panties on.
Oh. Vibe check.
Vibe check. We are here. 1 p.m. No vomit.
He's dropped something. And he has not eaten for the last 12 hours.
Actually, I'm negative eating. I've lost everything I had for lunch.
Roger that. See you at the bottom.
We out here. Park pie. Views on views.
Ready, my super onions?
I ain't got no panties on. Ain't got no panties.
What camera? What camera? The bear mule.
Like about time? Or is it like newer?
Vibe check. Raining again. Shocker.
Welcome to the jungle.
Nigga, MTV cribs, 2 P's on me.
Jump cut. Here we go. Welcome to the master bedroom. Now this is where the scrolling magic happens. As you can see, we've got 3 beds with Megan taking the middle bed, and then we've got all our shit in the front. Pretty lousy view, but now onto the centerpiece. Jump cut.
It's just a bathroom.
It's got hot water.
Oh, right. Anything more fun?
Jump cut. Wow on the light.
Blow on the light.
Real businessman, we don't fuck with our professionals. Niggas always fucking up the players, I said take them.
Let's crack this baby open.
That was till I put it out of me. Stop it, you won't go broke. That ain't logical, so I doubt it, but it's possible.
Big river. Right. Nice. In the chat, guess what he was just reenacting. Nice. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Ooh. Bit of low-hanging cloud. If you know, you know. If you're a real big Slogadil fan. Low-hanging cloud, I think.
We think.
Can we verify? We might have to ask the experts down there, actually.
They're too quiet right now.
Yep. Oh, the combine. What a happy victor. Meg's just had a big poop. In a lovely little spot.
Gigantic.
Good night, thank you. Good night. Great day.
Just plowing. This is how Hector makes his coffee. 1, 2. Just 2 today. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cherry.
Can we get a vibe check this morning, Meg?
Huh?
Can we get a vibe check this morning?
A little bit sweaty, but
Any upper lip sweat?
Sula activated.
Sula? Oh my god.
I ain't got no pennies on, ain't got no pennies on, I ain't got no pennies on.
Can we get another vibe check, Meg?
Next little pot, like 20 minutes. Be careful, please.
The vibe's a bit more restored, Meg.
A what? The Gruffalo.
The Gruffalo.
I ain't got no pennies on, ain't got no pennies on, I ain't got no.
What's the vibes?
Vibes?
Alright.
We don't want to claim high.
No, vibes are high. We have to start from high.
We're seeing that motherfucker. Cut to the clip now. Cut to the view.
Oh my fucking
Vibes were always there. From day one.
We believed the whole time.
From day one, vibes were there. Never in doubt.
Cooper, they didn't bring us here to change the past.
Say that again.
They didn't bring us here to change the past.
They didn't bring us here at all. We brought ourselves.
Wow. Hands.
There's an ice
Nice.
store right there, but we can't try the flavor.
All the ice cream cheese.
Just more like this
Vibes have once again been restored.
I just want to show him memes scroll. That's too much loss.
Vibe check. Slightly better.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's slightly better than yesterday. Vibe check.
Whoa.
Should we just go to the club? We are, fam.
Do you remember Salcantay?
Vibes are back.
See.
Oh, we made it, baby. The vibes were always up from the very beginning. Insert high contrast now.
Best volley impression.
If you wanna leave your backpack, you can do it.
I ain't got no pennies on, ain't got no pennies on, I ain't got no pennies.
I see them following you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day.
Just the sounds of nature. Well, I'm on camera. And Alf's there. So, no breathers for the aftermath.
Give us your best alpaca impression.
Meg, do your best alpaca impression.
Oh, the ears come off?
Give us your best llama impression.
Hey man, I'm alpaca.
Every time. My bag's a little big.
El pico nevado más alto en este punto. Probablemente los
See. It may look like vibes are low, but this is just post lunch slump. Vibes are always high and never will be anything else. Cut to that low clip. Give us how you're feeling in one noise. Lake Titicaca group. Mr. I can do a whole trip in 33 litres. His bag's full for a day trip. We've got a private tour, guys.
Oh yeah.
Very private. Just the sounds of nature. Roger, leader, over.
We're moving into position.
Hello! How would you drop me?
I ain't got no panties on, ain't got no panties on.
We've just watched a man make soup.
Out of tender stem broccoli.
He's lost the crowd. I want to go back home. I want to nap. We should have done the half day.
Right, review for the boat tour.
Glad we did it, wouldn't ever do it again. Certain tourists
Bloody tourists.
getting in the way.
Ticked it off.
That's what made this
really comfy chairs for nothing. It
Gotta
felt like a
wrap it up.
Disneyland.
Gotta wrap it up. Felt like Disneyland, and that is our closing quote. And now we're drinking some lovely.
Gotta wrap it up.
How's blood clot out of here, man?
6:27.
In the morning. We sat in a pizza shop for 4 hours.
Hours, dude.
We sat in a pizza shop for 3 hours, and then we've gone to another pizza shop for 2 hours. Excellent. So nice. When I was in Pune, I was Diablo. It's so nice. It's so nice.
Might be some chilies on there.
No, it's so chill. So chill. Ooh, 2 bags collect. Oh, where's your bag? Oh my god.
It's that.
Alfred, what's been your favourite part of the trip that has been documented?
I'd say my piss in the Red Valley.
Cut to the clip now.
I was going to say that.
My
What?
piss?
Your piss.
Right.
I'm going to say my funniest bit was Dylan his headache.
Cut to
Day
the
one
clip
of his go.
now. Alfie shouting every morning about the vibe check at 4 in the morning. Cut to all the clips now.
What's up, vlog?
Oh, what your beer sees. Been out all night. We're just rolling straight through, baby. Straight through. Let's go.
Let's just get a rundown of what happened.
I wasn't on the plane. I'm on the plane.
Meg wasn't on the plane. Now she's here. Full carry on.
There is a God.
Oh my.
Miami.
Oh yeah, we made it.
Uh-huh.